Have you ever smiled in the mirror and thought, why do my dentures feel like they're planning their own escape? Yeah, dentures that slip around can turn into a normal conversation into a full-on survival mission. So if you're searching for a simple way to make your dentures fit better without running to the dentist every week, I found something interesting, the Oralhoe Soft Denture Reline Kit. And in this quick 2026 guide, I'll show you how to set it up properly at home. So stick around because one small mistake during the setup can actually ruin the fit. First, let's talk about what this kit actually does. The Oralhoe Soft Denture Reline Kit is designed to improve the fit of loose dentures by adding a soft silicone lining inside them. Instead of the denture pressing directly against your gums, the silicone layer acts like a cushion, helping reduce irritation and making the denture feel more secure. Think of it like adding a memory foam but for your dentures. Now let's go step by step on the setup. Step 1. Clean your dentures. Before applying anything, wash and dry the denture thoroughly. Any leftover adhesive, food particles, or moisture can prevent the silicone from bonding properly. Step 2. Prepare the silicone material. Most kits include two silicone components that need to be mixed together. Once combined, the material becomes moldable and starts the curing process, so you'll want to move to the next step fairly quickly. Step 3. Apply the silicone inside the denture. Spread the mixed material evenly along the inner surface where your gums normally sit. Don't overfill it. Too much material can cause pressure when you bite down. Step 4. Insert the denture and bite gently. Place the denture back into your mouth and bite down lightly for a few minutes. This allows the silicone to mold to the natural shape of your gums, creating that custom fit. Step 5. Let it cure. After shaping, remove the denture and allow the material to fully set according to the instructions. Once cured, trim any excess material if necessary. Now here's the practical part. When the relining is done correctly, the denture tends to feel more stable and cushioned, especially when talking or eating. The soft lining also helps reduce friction points that can cause sore spots, but keep this in mind, this type of kit is usually best for temporary adjustments or improving comfort, not as a permanent replacement for professional dental relining. So if your dentures are extremely loose or damaged, a dentist is still the better route. But if you're simply trying to improve the comfort and fit at home, the Oralhoe Soft Denture Reline Kit can be a practical option when used properly. And honestly, if it stops your dentures from sliding during a conversation, that alone might be worth it. And that's the full setup guide. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.